But that's what the lifelong learning is. It's curiosity in ourselves. All of you have beliefs. All of you have passions. How do we consciously and intentionally put these into our business so we can attract the people that we want? You don't have the right people in your company? Starts with your values. People say, well, Jamey, what questions you want to ask in hiring to hire the right people? It isn't the question. I promise you, it is not the question you ask. It's how you're saying it. It's how you're communicating it. It's where it's coming from. When someone says, so what is it about your business? And Joe starts telling them, this is why I created Joe PT. And here's where we're going. And here's what I believe. People that come and work for me believe in this. That person's going to be like, hell yes or hell no. Can you imagine hiring a bunch of hell yeses? Shit. You could screw up systems and SOPs. You'll still have a kick-ass team. You could be on vacation. They'll do the right thing. Even if they screw up, they'll do it with the right intention. But do you have the courage to be the leader that says, here's what I believe? And I know you do, so it's a rhetorical question. But this is the deep work that each of you has to do. I've done my deep work. I continue to do it. This is the deep work. And when you're able to put these values, one value, two value, three, I don't know. You can read a book and it says, oh, you should really only have three because people can only remember three. Other people say, write as many values that are important to you. Let's not get caught up in the details.